Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this used 52-inch Timesaver Vision Orbital Twin Pad Sander and Rotary Brush Programmable Sanding Machine. This 2005 Timesaver has a programmable color touchscreen controller to let you know what's happening at all times, as well as a rear entry video camera. Here you can see the twin orbital flat sanding pads. Here is a view of the 8 rotary brush heads. These machines have flatter blade sanders on them and create no cross-grain scratches. As you can see, this is a fully automated machine. In the top right corner you can see a chart of where your material would be passing through and which items are turned on or off, as well as the speed controls. This fully programmable automatic machine will allow you to put a door or cabinet 52 inches wide on the in-feed table. It'll go through the machine, through the twin pad orbital sanders, 2 of them independently powered. Then it'll move to the 8 flatter blade sanders, which rotate, and it'll come out the exit conveyor. The table is a vacuum table to hold down your material, as well as it comes with a dust collector. This machine also comes with a nice spare parts selection. Here we're showing you the programmable control. First you click Edit Recipe, and that'll show you the different positions you have, as well as the vacuum bed, the position on and off, the speeds, and the feed speeds. Once programmed in, you can save the program and repeat when necessary. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, ironworkers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.